Today, we're going to make breakfast burritos. To do that, we're going to need some chorizo sausage. There we go. Eggs. We're going to need some bacon. There's some. We'll need milk to scramble the eggs with. Let's get rid of this. And we're going to need some tortilla wraps. And we're going to need some cheese. Start by cooking your bacon. While that bacon is gloriously sizzling away, we should get our sausage ready. We're going to use 2 chorizo sausages, and we're going to carefully cut away the casing so that we have just the meat left. Now it's time to prepare the eggs. Crack a few eggs into a nice bowl. Add a little bit of milk, some salt and pepper, and beat it up real good. Get a good scramble going. Now you're going to drop your caseless sausage into the pan. Let it sizzle up. What you're going to need to do here is just break that sausage up. I use a wooden spoon, as you can see here. Just trying to cut it, mash it, whatever you can do to get it down into small pieces. The smaller the better, that way it'll mix easier with the eggs. Once the sausage is suitably browned, just give your eggs another quick mix and dump them into the pan. Lower the heat at this point, down to a fairly low heat, just so the eggs cook a little bit slower and everything comes together nice. There's many ways to do this, but I find just squashing your bacon in the paper towel to be the easiest. When you're done, you have a nice crumble that you can add into the scramble. Now comes the dreaded rolling stage. Don't overfill, and make sure you fold the sides in very carefully. You can see here on the second wrap that you have to taper in the edges, and then I struggle to pull in the other side before I roll it up. You'll see. Once you have them rolled, put the heat back up to medium, put them in the pan. I use a plate to hold them down. I totally forgot to add the cheese before rolling them up. Make sure you add the cheese the first time around. Make sure to enjoy with the beverage of your choice. For me, it's this delicious blueberry lemonade.